A very good morning. Welcome to JSS Academy. Welcome to the next part of video, the Playwright for JavaScript series. In the last video, we saw about how to mask and write a particular element in a web page with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. So we masked RHRM login, right, the username and password, and we took a screenshot, right, and we attached. Okay, so now in this video, we are going to see, right, how to record a video, right, with the help of Playwright. This also will act as an right evidence, right, for the to share your right if you face any issues or right any challenges, right, you can just send to the team the recorded video. Okay, for that I'm just going to create one new JavaScript file and name it as video recording. Then I'll copy the previous code and I'll paste it. Okay, so just make sure you are following the previous video so to get an better understanding of the code. Okay, so now what I'll go do is, right, I'll just copy this. Okay, and I will write 1 minute. Let me paste it. Okay, so now just in the last video we took a screenshot of this one. Okay, let me delete the mask screenshot code. Okay, so now I'll keep this one. So in the first line of code it's telling, right, import the Chromium browser, right, from the Playwright. Okay, so import the package Chromium, right, from the Playwright. Next one is I'm using async for making to wait for each right operation. For example, go to it will make them to wait and fill, enter values, it will wait till it gets filled, and locate, it will wait. So right, it has an inbuilt right operation of await. So for that we need to do async, add async in our code. Okay, so the first line of code we are just launching a new browser, Chromium browser, and we are making it as an headless false, or we can make it as true. Okay, then I'm after launching a Chromium browser, I'm making sure a new page has been opened, a new tab has been opened in the browser. Okay, then I'm just launching my URL, and we saw right locators, how to enter an username field, right, with the help of fill method. I took an CSS selector and I entered a value called as admin. Okay, this and all we saw in our previous videos. Please go through the previous videos. Okay, and next one is we used locator, and XPath I took and entered the password with admin123. Okay, then I use click submit button, click, right, and I use class name. I use There are multiple classes, so I started with dot, and for segregating one class and other class I gave a dot in between. Okay, so this is we practiced in the previous code. Okay, so now we need to to capture a video, right, for this code, right, we need to get a video evidence of this code. For that we need to do small modification in the code, right. Instead of taking a screenshot, I'm just focusing on how to take a video here. Okay, for that we need to create a context here. Okay, so I'm just initializing constant. Okay, constant, and next one is I'll give context. Okay, context equal to await. Okay, browser. So it creates a new context here, new context. Okay, I'm just creating a new context here to capture the video. Okay, constant is spelling wrong. Okay, now I'm creating a new constant, right, with right after that what I'll do is, right, 1 minute, instead of the curly bracket here. Okay, then I will close it also. Okay, now what I'll do is, I will Same like we right, we added a screenshot, and here we record a video, record video colon curly bracket. Okay, then we need to give the path of the video directory. So keep record the video and place it in a directory under the project root folder. So I give videos. Okay, so keep it under the in the directory, keep it in the folder videos, create a folder, right, videos, and save it. That is what we are telling. And if optionally we can add the size of a video. Okay, so we can add the size, right, of so resolution we can add, both the width and the height we can add. Okay, so now let's give a colon. So this having a size here, width colon. So this is standard, right, width and the height which we have. So that I'm adding here. Okay, height, and so 1280 by right into 720. That's height, right? Width and the height I'm just giving. It's an optional one. Okay, I just added here. Then I will right, give a semicolon. Okay, so now right, it created a new context. Okay, he created a new context here. Okay, and okay, I need to close the context also. Okay, so before closing the browser I will just close the context dot close. Sorry, okay, so now right, what I'm doing this is the same code. I'm just recording a video, right, and I'm just right, saving it under the video folder, and then I'm giving a width, right, of right, 1280, and height of right, 720. Okay, let me save the file before executing. Let me go to the terminal. Okay, let me go to the tests folder. Okay, now I'll run the code node video recording .js. Okay, so it's opening the browser, it's launching the URL. I entered username and password. Now the browser needs to be closed. Yes, it closed. Okay, and there should be a video here. Okay, the problem is right. We need to give context dot page instead of browser dot page. So it should give right context. So the context is right. It should capture a video into the new page. Right. That is what we should do. I give save it. Save now. Let me run it. Now you can see right. It recorded a video. Okay, so now right, you can see right, it recorded a video. Okay, so this is how right we can record videos, right, with the help of your Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so next I will go here. In the right you can see a recorded video. Okay, right, you can see a video has been recorded. So it will launch the orange HRM application, and it's going to like close the browser, and it's going to capture the video. Okay, so this is how right you can record a video. For that you should go right click, give right reveal in file explorer. If you give that, it will go to the right file explorer, and you can able to see the video. Okay, so now write the code which we added. We'll walk through again. Okay, so first I imported the Chromium browser, then I use async. Okay, for waiting each right condition or right operation which you are going to give. Then I used Chromium browser and for launching a Chromium, and I told in a headless state. Then I created a context, right, with the help of browser.new context for capturing a video. For videos, right, I'm just giving which directory we need to store the video. Okay, and we can also give the file name also. Next one is right, I'm going to give the size of the video, the width and the height. Then I'm just going to create a new page right into the context, right, so that it records a video and into the from the new page. Okay, then I'm just giving context dot new page, and I'm giving page dot go to, and the browser which I'm going to, the application which I'm going to launch. I entered the username located with CSS selector, then I entered a password located with the XPath. When I click the submit button, I located with right uh, class name. And next one is I waited for 5 seconds, then I close the context, and then I close the browser. Okay, this is how we can in simple ways, right? We can record a video with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.